He bite?
Yeah.
Oh, little love bites.
Little love bites.
Nothing serious.
Really, your tail? Is it a good tail? Look at the tail eating.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. All done? No, you want more? What now? Don't you eat my toes. Toes are not part of the equation.
Your booty is though.